We're going to walk out the door right now here in Crow Point and Grove Ave and just let you hear what it's like outside. The noise you hear is from around the corner where they've knocked down a house. Now they're mashing the rock, and they've been doing so since 8 a.m. this morning. And I don't know that, we're one house away now, 2 houses away right now. We were 3 houses away when we started. I don't know if most people are aware of the amount of sound that this makes, but we're going to walk right up to the site. And I'm not doing anything to zoom or focus. We're just walking. You can see my hand. We're just walking down the road to document really the amount of disturbance this makes. And I know there's other technologies that can be used to break up rock like this that are a lot less intrusive. But I just figured I'd let you see this. We can zoom in and look, but it's a pneumatic thing that just jams the rock. It's all this rock was done today. So I think he stopped because he saw me wandering with a camera, but that's okay. But just wanted to capture that. I don't know if he'll start again. If he starts again, we'll get more sound. I'm going to pause it now, and then we'll get the sound from another area.